Hey lovelies, welcome back to SoulSync, your cozy little space where we decode love, feelings, and all those butterflies you feel in your stomach. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a like if you've ever accidentally made a guy smile without even realizing it. Because today we're diving into those little adorable things girls do that guys secretly love. Yes, even the tough ones who act like nothing melts their heart. So grab your favorite drink, sit back, and let's explore the gestures that might seem small to you, but leave a deep mark on his heart. 1. The way she laughs at his jokes, even the bad ones. There's something so incredibly endearing about a girl who laughs, not just politely, but genuinely, at the things he says. It's not about pretending. It's about how your laughter makes him feel like the funniest guy in the world. Even when he knows the joke isn't that great, your reaction tells him that you enjoy his company and love the way he talks. It boosts his confidence and builds an emotional connection. Guys crave that warmth, that non-verbal way of saying, "You make me happy." What makes it even cuter is the eye contact, the playful giggle, or when you gently nudge him or cover your face in embarrassment. These small, soft gestures signal that you're relaxed and happy around him. And that safety, that vibe, is irresistible. It doesn't matter if you're loud and bubbly or shy and quiet, the way you laugh when he's around becomes the soundtrack he replays in his mind when he misses you. 2. Wearing his hoodie or shirt casually. When a girl slips into his hoodie, it's not just about comfort, it's about emotional intimacy. There's something about seeing a girl swimming in his oversized hoodie, her sleeves hanging past her hands, looking cozy and carefree. It melts a guy's heart. It's like she's wrapped in him. And whether she realizes it or not, that small gesture screams, "I feel safe with you." Guys find it so incredibly cute because it reflects comfort, closeness, and a shared moment. Even more than that, when you wear his hoodie without asking, or keep it for a while and tell him it smells like him, you leave an imprint on his mind. It's not loud or dramatic, it's soft, subtle, and powerful. That one hoodie becomes something he associates with you. Your scent, your smile, and the warmth you radiate. He won't say it out loud, but he'll remember how you looked in it every time he sees it hanging in his closet. 3. Random texts that show she's thinking about him. When a girl sends a cute little text out of nowhere, like "I just saw something that reminded me of you," or "Hope your day's going well," it has the power to completely turn his mood around. It's not about how often you text, it's the thought behind it. Guys love when girls check in, not out of obligation, but because they want to. It tells him you care and are present in the little details of his life. These kinds of messages also build anticipation and connection in a relationship. They show that you're emotionally engaged and not afraid to express it, even in the simplest ways. And if you add a funny meme or a cute selfie with it, that's game over. He'll be smiling at his screen thinking, "She's literally the best part of my day." 4. The little pouts and playful whining. That tiny pout you make when he teases you or when you want something. It's not just cute, it's kryptonite. Guys secretly adore that childish little behavior, especially when it's done in a flirty, playful way. It makes you look soft, sweet, and approachable. It's not manipulative, it's your inner baby girl showing, and it makes him want to protect you even more. It becomes even more heart-melting when it's followed by a giggle, a shy smile, or when you lightly hit him after he teases you. That soft drama you create, mixed with affection, keeps things light but intimate. That spark of innocence, combined with feminine energy, makes him want to hold you close and never let go. 5. Getting shy when he compliments you. Girls who go shy when they get complimented. That, right there, it's one of the most irresistible things ever. When you can't meet his eyes or start playing with your hair, or just say a soft "thank you" while trying to hide your smile, he notices everything. It shows him your genuine, unfiltered side. Not the polished or practiced version, but the real girl who's not used to being seen so deeply. This kind of vulnerability makes a guy feel powerful in the sweetest way. It makes him want to keep complimenting you, just to see that adorable, almost flustered reaction again. That little moment creates a ripple of emotions: desire, connection, and warmth. It's proof that you care about what he thinks and that his words actually touch your heart. 6. Touching him while talking, subtly. Whether it's lightly touching his arm during a laugh, fixing his hair, or brushing lint off his shirt, these small touches feel electric. They seem casual to you, but for him, it's everything. Physical touch, especially when it's soft and unintentional, creates a wave of excitement. It builds that underlying chemistry and keeps him hyper-aware of your presence. And even more powerful is when those touches come with a soft voice or eye contact. That combination of physical closeness and emotional energy can create such a strong attraction, he won't even realize he's falling deeper until he starts craving it. It's not about being overly forward, it's about those barely there gestures that feel deeply intimate. Sharing her food or feeding him a bite. There's something incredibly nurturing and sweet about a girl offering a bite from her plate or playfully feeding him. It's such a simple, loving act, but it hits deep. It gives that comforting girlfriend energy that says, I care about you. I want to take care of you. Whether it's a fry, a piece of chocolate, or just sipping from your drink, it feels like an emotional hug, and it becomes a memory. He'll think of that moment the next time he sees that food or walks past that restaurant. It's one of those gestures that feels small but holds so much emotion, connection, softness, warmth. It's playful, nurturing, and romantic all at once. And for most guys, that's the kind of love they never forget. 8. Her natural, unfiltered moments. When a girl lets down her guard, like when she's dancing goofily in her room, or singing off-key with full confidence, or falling asleep mid-conversation, guys love that. It shows she's comfortable around him, that she trusts him enough to be completely herself. Those raw, unfiltered moments feel more real than anything else, and those are the parts of her he falls in love with slowly and deeply. It tells him, this is the real me, and I feel safe showing you that. That comfort, that quiet vulnerability, creates a deep emotional bond. It's not about being perfect, it's about being real. And real is always irresistible. 9. Playing with her hair without realizing it. Girls twirling their hair, brushing it behind their ear, or running their fingers through it absent-mindedly. It's one of those small, subconscious things that drives guys wild. It's feminine, soft, and hypnotic. And the best part? You usually don't even notice you're doing it, but he's watching, every second. This little habit shows your gentleness, your rhythm, your softness. And if you do it while talking to him or laughing, it sends a signal that you're relaxed and present. He might not say it out loud, but that gesture makes him want to reach out, touch you, kiss you, because it brings out a protective, loving energy in him. 10. Getting excited over the little things. When a girl gets excited about small, simple things, like her favorite song playing, a cute dog walking by, or even something he did, it's one of the most heartwarming things ever. It shows how easily she finds joy. It makes her presence feel like sunshine. And guys are drawn to that. They love seeing your eyes light up over the little stuff. That soft energy, your natural happiness and childlike wonder, it gives him a sense of peace. It reminds him that love isn't always dramatic or loud. Sometimes it's just watching someone fall in love with the world around them. And that kind of joy, it's infectious. It makes him want to be part of your world even more. And there you go, lovelies. 10 of the cutest, most lovable things girls do that make guys secretly melt. These aren't about being flashy or bold. They're about softness, presence, and being truly you. So keep laughing, keep being playful, and never underestimate the power of your little habits. Because to the right person, you're already the dream girl. If this video made you smile or reminded you of yourself, hit that like button and subscribe to SoulSync for more love, emotions, and feminine glow-up magic. And in the comments, tell me, which one of these do you accidentally do? Or which ones drive you wild when a guy does them? Until next time, stay radiant, stay sweet, and keep syncing with your soul.